इतिहास के पन्नों में है कुछ अनसुनी कहानियाँ, गुमनाम से नायकों की छिपी हुई निशानियाँ। चलो खोले चलो खोजे ये कहानियाँ सुहानी, हर पन्ना कह रहा है नई कोई कहानी। इतिहास के पन्ने, इतिहास के पन्ने।
Good evening everyone. Welcome to brand new episode of Itihas ke Panne 2.0. So I am your host Atmash Kadam and we have a young historian Rajdeep Pawar with us.
Thank you, Atmash Kadam. I am thrilled to unravel the mysteries of history to everyone.
So let's start from simple. Can you tell what is the history?
History is about past in chronological order, and chronology means sequence of past events.
So can you tell what are the sources of history?
There is various sources of history like written source, oral source, audiovisual source. The sources of history means evidence or clues of history to study history.
So can you tell bit more about what are the written sources of history?
The written sources of history are encyclopedia, novels, diaries, government gadgets. The written source means the sources that is written by hand and give us a broad information about history.
How are newspapers helpful to us?
Newspaper give us broad view of sports, literature, and etc.
So can you tell the example mentioned in our textbook?
The one example mentioned in our textbook is Press Trust of India or PTI. It's established in 1953. It have online service also now.
So, can you tell what are the material sources of history?
Material source means physical object like coins, museums, ornaments.
How coins are useful?
Coins include social development, artistic and cultures. The the Reserve Bank of India make it from various metal to uses.
As you mentioned before, can you tell what are the oral sources of history?
Oral sources of history are folk tales, folk songs, ballad like Povadas and Lok Shahir, Anna Bhau Sate and Amar Sheikh.
So, can you tell what are the audiovisual sources of history?
Audiovisual sources of history includes television, media. The best institute is Film and Television Institute of India. It's established in 1960.
So, here's a quick question for our listeners. So, can you tell what are the archives?
Archives are places where historical documents are preserved. The best institute of archives is in New Delhi.
Fantastic. So, can you tell how are postage stamps significant?
Postage stamps gives journey about post independence through various signs like political leader, flower, coins, and etc.
Well, it's wrap for today's episode. Thank you, Raji, for your brilliant information.
Leisure was mine, Atmaj. Keep exploring young historians.
इतिहास